Advanced Diploma in Hotel Culinary Management. 2 and 3 years course. You will learn all the techniques and cooking skills you need to become a chef. Everything you need to get ready to work in the F&B industry. Food safety regulations, fundamentals of culinary, baking and pastry methods, menu studies, essential skills, F&B service, hotel operations, purchasing and cost control, food and beverage pairing, hospitality. Come to learn with us and become the next chef. Hong Kong Culinary Academy. Scan the QR code for more information about the course.